do you sing to Badu? Go back. What do you sing to Badu? Avery, no. What do you sing to Badu? Why are you so silly? Okay, what do you sing to Badu? Oh, back up and show me how you jump then. Ready, set? Oh. No, you didn't. You're a weirdo.
I did it.
You did do it. So, do you want to tell me what you sing to Badu?
What?
What is it? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you say? And then what does White Pup sing?
That's not roses in the open fire. That's in the bananas.
And then what's Dada's favorite song?
That's the favorite song in whole car.
What is it?
Whole car.
What's your favorite song?
This is right in this person.
I know, but what's your favorite song?
What
What's your other favorite song? Every time we get in the car, what song do you ask me for? No. What song on the radio do you like me to play?
I need some.
And what in that song, what does the guy do that we say when we tease Dada?
Radio means I need you some.
Right, and what about the I Need You song does Dada do? What does he do? Do you remember?
What's this?
Does it have something to do with Paolo?
Yeah.
What does Dada do with Paolo?
Oh.
So what does Dada say?
What's this?
I don't know where the circle is. What does Dada say though?
What is circle?
I don't know where the circle is, sweetie.
Let's do this. And do this. Just the other one. What I say. The other one. Okay. Put this right here. I am put this one.